Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be using Uniqurl's the shampoo and the deep conditioner that I shared with you guys in my product haul. So starting with the shampoo. Now the shampoo smelled really good, and I definitely felt that tingling sensation because it has the aloe mint, which is a mixture of the aloe vera juice, but it also has peppermint in it. So I definitely felt it. Immediately I felt that tingling sensation, but it felt good though on my scalp. So, and it didn't strip my hair, which was good. And as you guys can see, I'm in a different bathroom. I went into the bathroom upstairs, which is so much easier to film, I must say, but I tend to just go use my bathroom, and the lighting is so much better, but and I was taking my time because I didn't want to drop any water, so bear with me. Okay, now to the deep conditioner. Now, when I smelled this deep conditioner, it reminded me of a product that I used to use, and I couldn't remember it, but I think it's Miss Jessie's. Like, once I smelled it, it smelled like a Miss Jessie's product. I don't know if you guys ever used Miss Jessie. I used to use it like when I was like first started being natural. It smells exactly like that to me. I don't know why. The consistency was definitely creamy, but it was more on the lightweight side. So if you're a person who likes lightweight conditioners, then this definitely is for you. I'm not really picky when it comes to conditioners, but I honestly kind of prefer a thicker conditioner because I really feel like it's doing the job. But I was okay with this one. It's thick, but it's not as thick in comparison to like some other conditioners that I've tried. But it did the job. And this also has the aloe mint in it as well. So. Now I will say I believe these products, if I'm not mistaken, have some coconut in it, but I will verify that if not by writing something on it. So if you do not like coconuts or your hair doesn't like coconut, you may or may not like this product. I will say that. So yeah, I actually went to go get the product, and yes, it does have coconut oil in the products. So be mindful of that if your hair probably doesn't like coconut oil. But I feel like there's more of the peppermint and the aloe leaf juice than anything, because I can't really smell the aloe, but I definitely smell that peppermint in all the products actually. So they said to leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes. I left mine in for 20 minutes. So before you guys say anything, because in a few minutes I'm about to take it down, I know you guys watched that lint retention video, and if you have, you know I said that you shouldn't have your hair all out and wash today. The only time I do this is for the purpose of after detangling, because it's just faster to wash my hair instead of doing sections. I used to do like take out each section and wash them individually, but it's too much work. It's just easier to just wash my whole hair. So for that purpose, you know, you can take out your hair because it's just faster to just rinse and wash out the whole thing instead of doing each section. You could do each section, but that's the only time I leave my hair out for the wash day, and also for the purpose to show you guys. So this is what my hair is looking like. Got some bounce to it and all that good stuff. Okay, Abigail, are you done now? I'm not done yet. No. Alright. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. And after I fully rinse it out, then I go into each section. And then I go ahead and sometimes I twist it, but I decided to braid it because I just wanted my hair to be elongated. So, ooh, do you see that growth? Look, King time. Look how shrinkage is real. This is why I like creating videos, because when I see videos, then I'm like, oh, my hair is actually growing. This is the only time where I actually see my hair growing, and then I get happy about that, because sometimes you feel like your hair is not growing. Like I said, I'm just going to do plaits, and I just did 6 plaits, and yeah. Now, I did also get the styler, but I started filming, and then I realized it wasn't, my camera was basically going to die. So I will come back and do another video with the styler, probably doing a different style though. And I definitely want to do a comparison, because I feel like, I don't know if I would put this in my top of conditioners. I mean, it's good though for like if you just want a lightweight conditioner, maybe you don't like thicker conditioners. This is definitely good for people who maybe don't like too much of thickness. But it definitely has that slip. That I will say, it has a slip. So if you're looking for slip in the conditioner, it has that. And I will say, like, if you ever feel like your hair, like in this situation, my hair was still pretty, and it wasn't tangling on itself. But if you ever feel like you need to do this process and your hair is like, feel like it needs a little extra moisture, you could just stay. Normally, I would just drench my hair in the water like I was doing in the beginning, but I turned it off because the water is going to be falling out. You can just let the water drench on your hair while you braid it or twist it or whatever the case may be. But we are reaching the end of this video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, you comment down below your thoughts, and if you would like to try this product, then you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Bye!